Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make money online by teaching English on Cambly. This website actually pays really well. They pay $10.20 per hour for all of your work time. It's very flexible and you can work as few or as many hours as you want. Best of all, you don't need any experience, qualifications, or teaching experience. All you need is to be able to speak English fluently. Right now, there is a high demand for English-speaking individuals. Everyone wants to learn English. And as an online tutor, you can work your own hours and earn $10.20 per hour. This website will pay you via PayPal every Monday for all of your earnings from the previous week. So let's get started, shall we? Cambly is the name of the website I'd like to share with you today. Our goal for today is to become a Cambly tutor. You can also get paid to talk to people from all over the world, and the cool thing is about Cambly is that you don't need any teaching credentials to apply. No teaching certificate, bachelor's degree, or prior teaching experience is required to get you started. As long as you can speak fluent English at a good level, you can get paid to tutor other people with Cambly by chatting with them. So if you're looking for a way to make money, maybe in your spare time, in addition to your job, on weekends, or at night, Cambly could be a great option for you. Cambly is an amazing option because it provides so much flexibility. There is a 24-hour schedule and you can set your own hours. Step 1. So the first step is to head on over to the Cambly website, which will look something like this. Then you can review the information here by clicking Get Started. This will guide you through the registration process to work as a tutor on Cambly. You will then be prompted to enter your email address and the password you wish to use to register, and you will be directed to the steps necessary to complete your application. So at the bottom, click Let's Get Started and then fill out the basic information. So for example, your profile picture, basic information like your name and stuff should be added in, after which you will need to upload a video introduction. Now, don't be scared. This is just a 1, 2, or 3-minute video in which you talk a little bit about yourself. If you still need help, Cambly will provide you with instructions to follow, or you can look up the hundreds of tutorials on YouTube. Cambly will also use the video introduction to determine whether you speak English clearly and correctly. After that, there are a few more fields to fill out, including your teaching style, a little bit about your languages, what other languages you speak, your work experience, education, and so on. Then you'll need to run what's known as the connection test. This is simply a test to see if your internet connection is strong enough. That's all you have to do. Then click Submit, and you should hear back from Cambly within a few days to a couple of weeks about whether you've been approved as a tutor. I know Cambly is currently looking for tutors. So if your English is good at a fluid level, at a native level, you should hear back from them about your acceptance very soon. Step 2. Hoping that you've been accepted into the program, log into Cambly and fill out your information about how you want to teach other people and at what hours. So now it's all about making money. So I've been accepted into Cambly as a tutor now. You can see what you will see once you are accepted into Cambly as a tutor. You can change your profile information at any time. By the way, so everything you provided in the previous step is just a click away. How does one make money from Cambly once you've been hired as a tutor? There are two options. The first method is known as priority hours, which essentially allows you to specify what hours you're going to be online so that someone can just call you. This is how Cambly defines a priority hour. They're saying that this is a 1-hour block where you commit to being available on Cambly for the full hour and answering all incoming calls. So basically, you go onto Cambly, make yourself available online, and stay online. When you do this, they will highlight your profile to new students. And they'll pay you for at least 15 minutes of chat time just for finishing the hour, even if no calls come in. Cambly typically pays about $10.20 per hour, and 15 minutes equals 1/4 hour. So if we multiply by 0.25 with 10.2, this is basically a $2.55 profit that you're almost certain to make when you appear online for the priority hour for the full hour, even if you don't receive any calls. Of course, if you do receive calls, you will be paid at the standard rate of $10.20 per hour. However, the advantage of a priority hour is that you know you're there and you can simply wait for the call. Even if you receive no calls, you will still be paid $2.50 for that hour. Even so, for priority hours, I can log in and say, okay, tomorrow I want to do a priority at 10 a.m. What you can do is set it as a priority hour on the site, and that is now scheduled as a priority hour. All I have to do is log in tomorrow and wait for any calls to come in. You can schedule up to 10 priority hours in any 24-hour period. Priority hours are ideal because you are available when the student needs to speak with someone right away. Step 3. The second way to make money on Cambly is to use the reservation system, which allows students to book you a day, 2, or even a week in advance. You can also set your availability here. So we can go to the calendar display, click Edit, and then, following that, you can create your availability from this screen. So for example, you could say that I'm available from 9 to 1 on a Monday. This will now result in students seeing you and booking with you. This now shows potential students who want to book you that you are available during those hours. You can also change your settings so that you receive 6, 12, or 24-hour notice of any potential bookings. You will receive a notification and will be able to accept or cancel a booking for that specific time. Step 4. So, how exactly do you tutor on Cambly? Cambly has excellent resources on exactly what you need to do to become a tutor. Remember, no preparation is required on your part. As a result, you are not required to complete any homework or assignments. That's the cool thing about it. You just go online, get the call, and start assistance. There are students from over 100 different countries. Each will have their own set of requirements, and they will know exactly what they want from you. So, in the article, there are help articles that will explain to you exactly what you need to do. You will simply need to introduce yourself, what your name is, and where you're from. Then you'll need to come up with a topic. For example, you could ask, what do you want to practice today? Some students may already have an idea in mind, while others may simply want to practice their conversation. It's very stress-free because you're not expected to prepare any crazy lessons to deliver to your students. All you have to do is keep the conversation flowing. And the most important thing that students want from you is corrective feedback. So that's basically all you have to do in the way of teaching. When the student speaks, all you have to do is provide feedback, a few tips, and a few corrections, but not too many at once. All of this is explained in the Cambly documentation. When your priority time or reservation, when someone made a reservation with you, comes up, all you have to do is jump onto Cambly and click the call button to make yourself visible. Once you've made your presence known, that means you're prepared to take phone calls. Then when the student calls come in, you begin conversing with them. That's all there is to it. So to get started with Cambly, simply click the link in the description below, which will take you to their website. From there, click Get Started to register. Just to refresh your memory, Cambly will pay you $10.20 per hour while you work. Cambly will pay about $12 per hour if you also register for Cambly Kids, which is completely optional. And this is something you can do without any degrees, certificates, or prior teaching experience. It's very straightforward. You don't even need to prepare for lessons. You just need to show up. Once accepted, you can go online and chat with students from all over the world. I think it's really cool because you get to learn about different cultures. You understand, and you get to meet people from all over the world. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel using the button below. Watch more videos on our channel, which we teach many other cool ways to make money online. Please comment below and don't forget to share this video on your social media. Thank you, and take care.